Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a question where given is x plus 3 under root equals x plus 1. So we have to find the value of x, right? So you see we have to first get rid of this under root sign and it can be done by squaring both sides. So x plus 3 under root take whole square over here also on the right side. So this will cancel with square sign and x plus 3 will be equal to x plus 1. It will be open according to math rule, which is a plus b square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So open this bracket according to this rule. So take square of x, then square of 1, which is equal to 1, and then 2 into x into 1, so you will get 2x. Right. Okay, shift these two values to the right side. So it will become x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x and minus 3 equal 0. So x square, 2x and minus x, you will get plus x. And from here minus 3 and plus 1, you will get minus 2 equal 0. Okay, now you see in the middle term is plus 1x. So you have to break down this one into two components such that the sum addition or subtraction of which is equal to 1 and whose product is equal to 2x square. So it will be equal to x square minus 2. If we write x and 2x plus minus, from here you can get minus x, and by multiplication we will get minus 2x square. So it is satisfying our condition. Now take x common from here, you will be left with x minus 1, and from here 2. So here x minus 1 will be left, or x minus 1 is common, so x plus 2 will be remaining figure. Now x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 2. Okay, these two are our solutions, but we have to check whether both are satisfying with the equation under roots. And if you put 1 over here, this 1 over here, so the answer will be 1 plus 1, 2. So it can be possible that under root sign 1 plus 2 we can get it. But if we put the value of x minus 2 plus 1, we will get minus 1. So it is not possible to get the value of under root equal to minus negative value. So we will neglect this value and our answer will be x equal to 1. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in next in an interesting video. Thank you.